50th dessert looks amazing.
Looks delicious.
Oh my goodness.
Welcome everyone. Let's go on inside together and celebrate.
Hey. Wow, we're inside, everyone.
Welcome to the fiesta. It's time to eat.
Grab your hammer.
Welcome to the celebration. Happy 50th Walt Disney World. Oh, and don't
Well, can the hammer break the 50th Fiesta Chocolate? Let's find out. So let's go have a seat. Welcome to the Sand and Hell Inn.
Here we go, time for fiesta. Gonna put down right here.
Fiesta cake.
You guys ready? Time for fiesta, fiesta cake. Here we go, my friends. We got the tres leches cake. We got the caramel ice cream. You see the big 5-0. Grab your fork or your spoon. Tiro la capiñata, and
So
you see the best part is inside. The
beautiful.
secret
Thank
dessert.
you so
You
much.
guys ready?
Carlos, thank you.
Nada, you're welcome. Yeah, fiesta cake is the best, my friends. Come and join us here in San Angelin, Mexico. Bye.
Yum, yum. Wow, it's the Fiesta Chocolate Pyramid. I'll try my spoon. Anybody home? I know. I'll try the ice cream and the tres leches. Let's check that out. Okay. So let's scoop into the tres leches. Now, to get that hammer to get us into the pyramid.
The Chocolate Pyramid! Time to remove the hammer and enjoy the pyramid.
It's fiesta time.
So good. All right, let's go into the mousse. So good. This vanilla ice cream is so good. It has caramel. And they have tres leches at the bottom. Yeah. It's so good.
Let's try another bite. Got a little bit of the mousse this time, some of the tres leches, and then we'll try some of the wall of that beautiful 50th celebration chocolate pyramid. The mousse is so creamy and delicious and goes awesome with the tres leches cake. Let's try one of the walls. It's got some iridescent pink on it and blue. And it's got all the goodness from inside that pyramid that lives inside here for us to try right now on the bite of its wall. Broken by the Thor Hammer!
Here is the Chocolate Fiesta Pyramid, and we took a hammer to it, the Thor Hammer to it. So, this Chocolate Fiesta Pyramid is a festively decorated chocolate pyramid filled with Mexican chocolate, mousse, and toffee atop a traditional tres leches cake and accompanied by ice cream, and it's perfect for sharing! It's so good! That was so amazing!
And we can enjoy our dessert with a view of the Gran Fiesta Tour ride.
was hammer raising!
That was delicious!
Did you see me smashing with the Thor Hammer?
Amazing!
Wow, that was so much fun. I do it again, and I do it again. Smash!
Let's do it! It's always a party!
With the Fiesta Chocolate Pyramid here at Mexico Pavillion at EPCOT.
Thank you so much for watching!
Have a happy, happy